The wow moment is something that you might have seen even without knowing what is a wow moment. Just think of when Steve Jobs unveiled the very first MacBook Air already many years ago. So that was in a product launch. And what he did, he brought a manila envelope, and in this manila envelope was the MacBook Air. He unveiled that, and that was a moment that has stuck in many people's life. That was, for instance, a presentation that lasted, I think, 1 hour at least. But what people remember from that is that moment when he's taking out the manila envelope, showing how thin that laptop was, because that was the main innovation among others for that product. It was the it was called like the world's thinnest netbook. That's how it was the slogan at the time. So that's what we want. We want these snapshots of your product that your prospect, your customer will remember. Will remember above anything else that they have heard during the demo, during the presentation, or doing research. Any discussion, they will remember that snapshot. And of course, has to be impressive, and it has to be persuasive, has to convince about how good your product is.